Hello everyone and welcome to Word of Mouth Food Reviews. This is the Webmaster here, and got some bad news. I was going to try to get the Angry Whopper tonight, and it's not ready till tomorrow. So, what do? You try to find something else similar in style, some for something a little spicy. I went to Dairy Queen and got the Flamethrower combo. It's a half-pound Flamethrower Burger, and also got the S'mores Mini Blizzard. The Blizzard was $2.89. The combo was $7.59. That's the new trend, I guess, is that all your combos are like soaring in prices. With tax, it came to $11.11. Whoa! So hopefully this is really good. So here's what we got here. This is, whoa. Compare that to my noggin. Whoa. As Brandon Edwards from the Snack Food Appreciation Society would say. And if you're not a member of that group, you can check them out on Facebook, Snack Food Appreciation Society. This is where Brandon posts a lot of his videos. He does YouTube videos, and a lot of us also do food reviews in the group. So definitely props to Brandon Edwards of the Snack Food Appreciation Society. Thanks, bud. This one's for you. So here we go. This is pretty big, like I said, for the price at $7.59 for a medium drink, regular size fry, and a big honkin' sandwich. So let's unwrap her and see what we got here. I don't know exactly what the ingredients are, so I'm sure you can use your Googler and find out what's all on it, but we'll kind of break her down here. Let's see here. Oh, looks a little funky there, but looks like we got a little sauce on the top with a little tomato. Some I don't understand why companies use this part of the lettuce. This is gross. Don't use the white part of the lettuce. It's kind of crummy and tasteless. So you should always use the green stuff so that it looks a lot better and more presentable. Bacon, kind of looking, okay, I guess. Kind of peel off another layer here. I love it. Yeah, that's another thing. Don't use the hard bits of those lettuce pieces. It's gross. It's great in a salad, not so much on a sandwich. And let's see here. We're going to pick up bacon, kind of a little flimsy. Mandame, and I'm not a big flimsy bacon person, but whatever, we'll go with what they got. And then there's a little bit of the cheese. I'm presuming it could be maybe a pepper jack, because it is a spicy burger. And then underneath that is some more cheese, the other burger, and a little bit more of that sauce on the bottom. I'm not sure if you can see that. There you go. Trying not to make a big mess everywhere, but all right. So there we go. Trying not to make a big mess out of this, but. Alright, here is the Flamethrower Burger. I thought the Flamethrower had jalapenos on it, but I don't know. Again, use the Googler, what's supposed to be on it, what's not. I'm just kind of going by what they gave me, but I'm fairly sure it's supposed to have jalapenos on it. I don't see it anywhere. But a little bacon, lettuce that's falling everywhere. That's just, let's see what we got here, alright? Let me go in for another bite. I didn't really taste much in the way of spice there. And again, the sauce is like spread out everywhere on top and bottom, but yeah, on the top it's kind of very sparsely spread. It's like right in the middle, and then on the bottom it's everywhere. So I don't know. Maybe that's part of the problem. Let's check it out. For this, having the name like Flamethrower, it would imply that it's very spicy. There's a very small hint of spice. Not much in the way of heat. It may have been some sort of mayonnaise or something, or infused heat mayonnaise, a chipotle mayonnaise or something. Maybe a little hotter. There's a tingle, but it's not like, oh, let me chug this soda down real quick, or let me down my Blizzard to cool it off. It's not even like that. The bun was okay, looked a little smushed, cheesy. The burger patties were crisp. They weren't like soggy. It didn't feel like they had been sitting around for a while. But if you're gonna call this a flamethrower, uh, I've eaten much hotter stuff from Taco Bell. Taco Bell has been like the standard as far as heat goes, as far as fast food restaurants, because it actually had heat. This is, it's a tingle. It's something that's there. It's not flavorless at all. It's got a nice flavor, but heat. I could probably down about several of these and not flinch with the heat. I wouldn't do that, trust me, not at this price. So overall, for the lack of heat, still a decent burger, but lack of heat, it's gonna get a 3. Again, the lettuce was, hit or miss. It was, the using the little white bits, that's kind of crummy. I always say if you're gonna put lettuce on a burger, use the green stuff. That way it A, looks attractive, and B, you actually want to eat it. Again, the burger was nice, sauce was nice, but if you're gonna call it a flamethrower, I need to be, needing to chug water, or oh gosh, it's hot, nothing. So not just whatever, The fries, we'll check those out. Yeah, they're okay. They're similar to like a thicker version of McDonald's fries. That's what I'd say. They're, just a little thicker than a McDonald's fry, but has about that similar flavor profile. So let's go ahead and check out the S'mores Blizzard. I bought the mini size because, again, if you don't like it, you only paid, well, in this case it's like $3, but the mini Blizzard, it's $2.89 with tax. It'd probably be about $3 or so. Got, dang it, not lettuce in my Blizzard. Maybe it might kick my Blizzard up a notch. Anyways, this is the Blizzard. It's supposed to have graham cracker pieces, chunks of chocolate, mushrooms. Woo! Hope it doesn't have mushrooms in it. It's a horrible ice cream to put mushrooms in it. Marshmallows, and it or marshmallow flavoring. I'm not sure what the deal is there, but check it out. The S'mores Blizzard, just in time for the summer. Yeah. Tastes like a s'mores. Is it super impressive? No. But it definitely gives you that summertime vibe. Sitting around a campfire. Or even eating one of those on a hot summer day. Whatever the case may be. Definitely 4. But it's not like amazing and run out and get it now. But it's definitely really good. So again, Dairy Queen stuff's kind of like hit or miss. Their food is kind of more the hit or miss thing, but their ice cream usually pretty good on point. So you might want to get your food elsewhere maybe, and then enjoy a Blizzard after your dinner or whatever the case may be. But yeah, there we go. That is the DQ Grill and Chill. That was the S'mores Blizzard and the Flamethrower combo meal with a Flamethrower Burger. And yeah, so again, if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below. Yeah, so y'all know how to get a hold of me. Check out Word of Mouth Food Reviews on Facebook. Sometimes I will share things like recalls and things of that nature that need to get out a little bit quicker on there. And yeah. And also check out the Snack Food Appreciation Society. This is the webmaster here saying, keep it snacking. Because I'm a snacker star. Are you? Webmaster out for Word of Mouth Food Reviews.